Welcome back to this new video. Today I am going to show you one very useful AI spreadsheet application, that is the Bricks spreadsheet, where you can create dashboards in just few seconds. Here I'll show you an example of dashboard that is already created. Let me click on the present button. This is a sales performance dashboard. Let me press the right arrow key. This is the overview of the dashboard, and below it the key insights are given. Press the right arrow key to go to the next slide. Here you see total units sold, top product and top location data is given. The next is total units sold by product and location, and beside it you can see the key insights in text. The next one is the distribution of units sold by state. The next is units sold by product. Next is the trend of units sold over time. This is the top selling products in terms of quantity and sales revenue. To exit the presentation mode, press the escape key in the keyboard. And here you can see this is the document view of sales performance dashboard. By scrolling it down, you can see all the visualization and insights. Now let's learn how to use this Bricks AI spreadsheet. So let me open here a new tab. Close this previous tab. You can open any other internet browser, and in the address bar simply type thebricks.com, then press enter. This will open the home page of Bricks AI spreadsheet, the AI spreadsheet to build reports and dashboards. Click on this get started for free. To use this application, you need to create an account, which you can do by simply connecting your Google ID or any other email account. To create a new spreadsheet, you can click on create new, or you can directly import your data. Let me click on the create new, then click on file option. Here you see a spreadsheet is created. By using this import button, you can import the data from other source like Microsoft Excel. Let me click on the import button. Then click on this browse file option. Here in the desktop, I have a sales data in Excel workbook. Let me double click on it. And here you see the data is imported. To create a dashboard from this data, simply click on this create dashboard option. And here you see the dashboard is being generated. And here you see the sales performance dashboard is created. At the top you can see the overview of this sales report. Below it you can see the key insights. Scroll down and you will see the highest sales, total quantity sold, unique customer. Scroll down, here you see sales revenue trend over time. The key insights is given here. Scroll down and you will see other visualization like top 5 product by sales revenue. Scroll down, this is the sales revenue distribution by product. This is top 5 customer by sales revenue. This is the quantity sold and average selling price per unit by product. Here you can see the top products by quantity sold and the sales revenue. Below it you can see monthly sales summary. If you want to add here more blocks or visualization, you can simply ask with AI. Here you can see ask the AI to add a block. You can put the prompt here, then press enter to create a new block. Similarly, you can see here other options like exporting the dashboard. By upgrading to the premium version of the spreadsheet, you can get here more function and features. So this is how you can create a dashboard in just few seconds by using thebricks.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video tutorial.